Emmy, what are you doing? Good scooping, kiddo. What are you doing, Em? Are you eating the dry oatmeal instead of playing with it? Is it good? Oh, Emmy. Emmy. Emmy, say football. Emmy, football. Ah! Say touchdown. What, Emmy? Did you say Patriots gonna win the Super Bowl? Touchdown?
Mama.
Oh, Emmy. What a mess. You're a mess too?
No.
Can you say football?
Football.
Can you say touchdown?
Touchdown.
Can you say Patriots? Can you say Super Bowl?
Football.
Very good. Say Patriots win.
Me. Patriots.
Can you say 19-0?
19.
That's right. Say no offense, Giants. We like you too. But Patriots rule. We're gonna eat them up like Emmy's eating up the oatmeal. Emmy, wave bye-bye. Too busy chowing. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye, camera.
Bye-bye.
Cheese. Cheese. Give me nice cheese. 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 Good boy.